Hi, Becky.
Hi, Eric.
There's my little half-pint girlfriend up front. Hi, Becky.
Hi, everybody.
So anyway, welcome to my channel, folks. Welcome to Ohio. Hey, welcome to 84 degrees. Welcome to everything nice and green and overgrowing and kind of coming after you. We took a couple vacation days. Woohoo! So what was day one of our vacation? Day one of our vacation was decompression. Yard work. Day two of the compression. Day two of the compression. That'll be in the bloopers reel. No, I don't have a bloopers reel. Day two of the vacation is this. Whee! Out riding the bikes. And we taking you someplace new. Where are we going, Becky?
We are going to Thistlethwaite Falls in Richmond, Indiana.
Wow, she completes me. I didn't even know what it was called. I also would not know how to get there, but she's got it etched into her little pint-sized brain because this is the direction she drives to work. So this is not unusual territory for her. Me, I drive an hour in the other direction. Do what you want with that information. Anyway, we out and about, and through the magic of GoPro science, we can hit the button and bring this out a little bit closer to the waterfall, so you don't have to do the entire ride with us. Well, we made it to Waterfall Road. Why is that a big deal? Because that's where the Thistlethwaite Falls is. Hello, old car. Hello, ambulance. Hello, hidden drive. This is a lot like riding in Kentucky right in here, and that's okay for little short bursts. And guess what? We have made it. Oh man, I wish you could see what I see, but I doubt you can. Nonetheless, we're about to go score us a really cool parking spot. Oh, don't you dare go to that gravel, little miss. You scared me there for a minute.
You know better.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows.
That reminds me, kind of hungry for Chinese food.
Oh, no.
Well, just the way I saw him peeking at us.
Oh, duck.
Little peeking duck. Yeah, good luck with that. Good try. Nice and cool here. The wind blowing off that water, creating a very happy effect. There you see a chicken. Someone gave it flippers and a kazoo. This was This was enjoyable, but I'm ready for some air conditioning, some Chinese food, a cold drink. I think that means yes. Well, what did you think of the waterfall?
It was quite beautiful.
Yeah, had to think about that one.
The water
Well,
it rained quite a bit, so it was pretty. The water was high. The water was flowing nicely. There's times I've been there when it just was barely coming over the edge. But
yeah, there have been times there when it was the water drip, but today it was gushing pretty good. What did you think of the Thai food?
Not a fan.
Same. Just if we had visitors from out of town, that's not where we're going to eat. I'm not impressed. I am impressed with this ride, though. I'm impressed with this curve. Gee, Minnie. You picked out this road, obviously.
Yes, sir.
She likes going around all these turns and trying to challenge me.
Yeah, shoot, somebody's got to do it.
About scraped on that.
Don't do that.
No, I meant you.
These guys right here, they got it figured out. They got a golf cart.
And a pool noodle. They must
went to the gravel pit, the quarry.
Yeah, I was gonna say Lock and Grin, but
Nope, gravel pit, natural
Yep, yep.
springs.
something like that. But anyway, if I was watching this from YouTube, would you have any last minute messages for our viewers?
Yeah.
For last minute messages, my bra strap itches, and that's
Right.
okay.
I'm sorry.
I know the fix for that. You just you gotta set them things free, and then that bra strap will not itch.
Nah, nobody wants to see that.
Fair enough. Anyway, my friends watching at home, we will see you next time, and I hope I got some good pictures of the waterfall. See y'all.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.